As the demand for the blue orchard mason bee in our agricultural industry increases, so has the necessity to improve the techniques used to clean and overwinter cocoons. The days of using flathead screwdrivers and paper tubes are being replaced with a scene more akin to an assembly line in a factory, with large machines and fast-paced work. New technology now allows us to clean hundreds of bees per minute, removing the need for manual scraping and brushing of blocks. To begin extracting the cocoons, the strapping is removed from the nesting blocks and the wood laminates are loaded by hand into the feeder of the machine. Adjustments are made for the width and type of wood, and then the motor is turned on. The pieces of wood are guided one by one into the section of the machine where spinning discs are positioned to remove the cocoons, clay, and other debris from between the rounded sections of the wood. Each disc is angled so that the entirety of the block is scraped, but the cocoons remain undamaged. Each piece of wood is then individually dropped through a slot in the machine, maintaining its original orientation so that it can be easily reassembled. Now separated from the nesting blocks, the cocoons are deposited into a 5-gallon bucket through 2 plastic tubes. These bees will then be taken to be sifted, washed, and sorted. Meanwhile, the wood laminates are pushed out of the other side of the machine. They are almost ready to be reassembled. The holes of the block are then blown with an air compressor to remove any remaining clay. They are then passed over to a station where they are run over an open flame. The flame is working to remove any harmful microbes such as chalk-brewed fungus that might be present on the wood block. Finally, the blocks are restrapped and put into storage, ready to house the next generation of mason bees the following spring.